Engine specs for the Toro S200. The Toro S200 is a snowblower manufactured by the Toro Long Goods Company. New Toro S200s are no longer sold by Toro, but it can be found on eBay and other used goods stores. It was a light snowblower with a light engine. Power. The engine in the Toro S200 is a 2.5 horsepower engine. It is a two-cycle engine with a recoil engine starter. The RPM of the Toro S200 engine cannot safely operate past 4,000 RPMs. Going any higher risks ruining the engine. Carefully monitor your RPMs during use. Gas. The Toro S200 engine cannot take pure gasoline, which can damage and potentially ruin the engine. Instead, you must mix the gasoline with two-cycle engine oil. The mix ratio should be 4 ounces of oil per each ounce of gasoline. Mix this in a separate gas tank before putting it in your engine. Starter. The Toro S200 uses an electrical starter with a 120-volt system. This means it has a simple on and off ignition key instead of a pull starter. The spark plugs have a gap of 0.035 inches.